Hi friends, how are you? I'm Nicole and welcome to Your Wellness Empress. Well, today I want to talk to you about what? Hemorrhoids. What are they? How did we get them? And what happens if they go untreated? All right? Because, I have definitely shared with you guys that I had some pretty bad hemorrhoids, okay? I mean, these hemorrhoids were excruciating. I'll said it before and I'm gonna say it again. I asked Jesus, either save me or take my life because I wasn't gonna be able to live with these things. So what are they, yo? Well, they are swollen veins that appear outside or inside your rectum. Okay, these swollen veins, or AKA piles, are usually brought on by constipation, straining, heavy sitting on the toilet can cause a hemorrhoidal environment. All right, so there are two different types of hemorrhoids. There's an internal hemorrhoid, and that's exactly that. It's inside, right? You can't feel it, but you'll know it's there because you'll have blood in your stools. Yes, I said it. Blood in your stools, okay? So you have to look at the paper when you wipe, see what's going on, check the toilet, see what's going on. Do you have any blood in your stools? If you have blood in your stool, you probably have hemorrhoids, okay? So you want to pay attention to that. The next type is the external. The external is exactly that. It's on the outside. These bumps and lumps, you can actually feel. You'll know what's going on back there, okay? And these suckers, though, these suckers bring on the pain, okay? They are painful, they itch, they burn, they can bleed. And, I'll just tell you right now, I had both. I had internal and external. It was a situation back there, okay? But again, these can bleed, these can burn, itch. They are seriously uncomfortable. They are very swollen. And listen, you'll know when you got them, okay? You don't got to worry. You'll know when you have some external hemorrhoids. You can't miss it, okay? So, but how do we get them, yo? What is happening back there? Well, hemorrhoids are normally brought on if you have excessive sitting. If you're living a sedentary lifestyle, if you're always sitting down, chances are you can develop a hemorrhoid, okay? If you're straining on the toilet, constipation, just like pushing, we shouldn't be pushing it out. Your bowels should gently move, okay? You shouldn't be forcing anything, and don't go to the bathroom to hang out. Go to the toilet when you actually have to go to the bathroom, okay? Sitting for a long period of time, again, it's going to cause what? A hemorrhoidal situation. So what happens though if I've had hemorrhoids for a while and they've gone untreated? What will happen to me? Well, for me personally, the pain was so bad. I said, Jesus, save me or take me. Figure it out. So it does affect your quality of life. That's number one. It affects your quality of life because if it's painful every time you go to the bathroom, that's a lot. The other thing is that if you're bleeding a lot in your stools, you can develop anemia. Yeah, you can get anemic. Also in rare cases where it was really bad, people have developed anal fissures, tears back there. All right. So, you definitely want to pay attention to what's going on. No, you may not die. Yeah, you're not going to die from it. But again, your quality of life, right? So today I wanted to share 4 foods that really helped me, okay? Took me out of a really painful situation, okay? So today I got 4 for you. All right. Number 1 is going to be whole grains. Whole grains are loaded with insoluble fiber. Fiber is the name of the game in this whole hemorrhoidal situation, okay? You have to get your fiber in, and whole grains is one of the best ways to do it. So we're thinking brown rice, we're thinking quinoa, oats, barley, things like that, okay? Number 2 is veggies. Yes. Lots and lots of veggies. Again, Fiber is the name of the game, and so is water, okay? Water is also very important. So the reason why we love veggies is because veggies is mostly water too, okay? So you're gonna go for cucumbers, cabbage, broccoli, veggies like that, root vegetables like beets, sweet potatoes. These things are going to help to soften our stools, okay? So you'll be able to get that bowel movement going, and that's exactly without the irritation, okay? All right, third is going to be a lifesaver for me was coconut oil. Coconut oil is like the holy grail when it comes to hemorrhoids, okay? Coconut water is an anti-inflammatory and it's antibacterial, okay? So not only can you put it in your mouth, right? Grab a spoonful of coconut oil a day or two, once in the morning, once in the evening, but you can also put it where? Back there, okay? It would help the discomfort, the itching, the burning, all those stuff that's going on back there when you have really, really bad hemorrhoids. Coconut oil will help, okay? Number four, you knew it was coming. I bet you can guess. Water. Water is the name of the game, okay? You have to step up your hydration. It's crucial in order to get your body flowing, get your body moving in its optimal way. You have to have water. You can't skip it, okay? If plain water is super boring to you, I hear you, but you know what else you can do to it then? You can remix it out, throw in some lemon or throw in some berries. Berries are great because it's also fiber, right? So you've boosted up, you've added a little fiber to your water, okay? But you gotta get the water in, you have to. And if you're out, socializing and all that stuff, having a few drinks, you're gonna wanna have a Chardonnay and then a water, a Chardonnay and then a water. Basically, after every alcoholic beverage you have, chase it with some water because alcohol actually dries you out. Again, that's going to cause a hemorrhoidal situation. All right, so I hope these four help you the way that it helped me. Let's run it back real quick, okay? We have whole grains, we have veggies, we have coconut oil, and we have water. Get these four things in your diet and you can help yourself back there or help yourself not even get it in the first place. All right? Mwah. Love you. Follow, like, subscribe, all those things, and I'll see you back here.